This is Don from A Life's Journeys, and this is Trip Clips for January 11, 2019. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. This morning I went out to the mail, received my Premier 1K kit from United as a United Airlines Premier 1K member. You get Premier 1K for hitting 100,000 qualifying miles in the year. If you're also a U.S. resident, there's a dollar threshold for achieving that. So it was a lot of flying last year. Managed to get this status. I'm very excited about it. It's my first time doing it with United. I've had similar status on Air Canada before. But since I got the kit, thought we'd do an unboxing and see what we've got in here. I did get the plastic off in advance, just because I figured I'd probably flub it up while I was doing this and didn't want to take too much time. But anyway, I'll just reset. Here's the outer part of the box, and let's start opening this up. It starts with this is a letter from Oscar Munoz, the CEO of United Airlines, as a welcome. Just over on this side here, the top of the box has, if I can get this off of here, has my 1K membership card. So Premier 1K status. Let's see what else we've got in here. There's a little brochure. As I open it up, it describes all the privileges, 11 times award miles. It talks about complimentary economy plus seating, Star Alliance Gold benefits, a dedicated call-in line, some upgrade credits, and some upgrade. I guess another upgrade benefit as well. So a lot of really good, benefits that go along with it. What else do we have? The next thing is some information on call-in numbers. There's a dedicated Premier 1K line that you can call to, and as I look through this, it gives telephone numbers pretty much all over the world. So always a spot to call in when traveling, which is a really good thing if something goes sideways. And this is really good. There's a bunch of beverage vouchers. There's 10 of them. They are good. One each. Each one is good for one alcoholic beverage. Which is kind of cool when traveling, though internationally. There's free beer and wine even in economy, and domestically, if a 1K is traveling in economy, you get a free alcoholic beverage plus a free snack item. So these are going to be good to have just as an extra when you need them. The final thing in that little pouch was these look like baggage tag straps. And so we'll open up the flaps that were here, and we have two Premier 1K baggage tags, luggage tags, tiny relative to what some other airlines give, whether that's to save costs or allow one to be a little bit more discreet. I don't know, but they're there. Nice little things. And final piece that I take out looks like coasters, drink coasters. I'll take the wrapper off of them, or the string, the elastic, and it looks like, yes, there's 4 of them. One is Amsterdam, second one is Auckland, third is, if I can get these apart, Rio de Janeiro, and the fourth one is Singapore. And so that's everything that's in the kit. So that's a Premier 1K kit opening with United Airlines. Hope you've enjoyed this. This will keep it short and sweet. It was a new unboxing for me, something really, just kind of an interesting thing to see what they put in their packages. If you like the video, if you like watching trip clips, please give this a thumbs up, like it. Please subscribe, hit that notification button so that you can keep on top of all of the Trip Clip episodes. And if you've got any comments, suggestions, if you're R01K and you've got experience with it, let me know what you think. Drop something in the comment box. And otherwise, keep tuning in for future episodes of Trip Clips. Always good to come to you over YouTube. Thanks very much.